Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove WordPress from your cPanel. So at first you have to go to the cPanel. So for different web hosting provider, the interface will be different. In this case, I have this option. You may have different option. What you have to do, you have to just go to the cPanel, okay? Then go to the cPanel. Here we go. Now we have to remove WordPress, right? So to remove WordPress, we have to go to the software section here, you can see, and click here WordPress managed by soft. And now here you can see this is the domain name. Click here this arrow sign, okay? And here we can see that we have two options, right? Remove and uninstall. So at first go with the uninstall. And here check remove directory, remove database user also. Click here remove installation, click here OK. Here you can see the installation was removed successfully. Now click here return to WordPress management. Here you can see we have successfully removed WordPress from our cPanel. So guys, this is the way you can actually remove or uninstall WordPress from your cPanel. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.